Good morning, everyone. Today, we'll delve into the top 3 fruits that can jumpstart your morning and offer your kidneys the attention they deserve. Stay tuned for an additional lineup of 10 critical fruits for your kidneys' health. Believe me, it's worthwhile. Our kidneys tirelessly purify our bodies daily. The choices we make in the morning impact our kidneys. I have an excellent kidney detox juice recipe for you at the conclusion. But first, let's discover the top 3 fruits to enhance your breakfast and express appreciation to your kidneys. Leading our list, we find pomegranates, a key superfruit for kidney health. These fruits are loaded with antioxidants like polycollagen and anthocyanins, which combat oxidative stress, a key contributor to kidney inflammation and damage. By alleviating inflammation, pomegranates are vital in decelerating the advancement of kidney disease. Additionally, they boost nitric oxide levels essential for sustaining healthy blood vessels, crucial for kidney function. Although pomegranates contain potassium, it's beneficial for kidney health. Moderation is crucial, particularly for those with kidney concerns. Sprinkle their jewel-like seeds over cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy fresh pomegranate juice. Their sweet, tart flavor not only enhances your meal, but also provides your kidneys with a wealth of nutrients. But wait, there's more. Stay tuned as I reveal more kidney-friendly fruits and a detox juice recipe that features our top selections. Let's explore these additional fruits, vital for kidney health. Next on our list at number 2 are blueberries, tiny yet powerful fruits brimming with essential nutrients. These small blue treasures are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which ward off harmful free radicals that can damage our cells. These fruits diminish oxidative stress, which is key in preventing inflammation and related complications. They are also rich in vitamin C, which boosts immunity, and manganese, necessary for enzyme functions. Together, these nutrients protect against health risks and minimize inflammation, a frequent foe in kidney ailments. Moreover, their fiber content aids digestive health. Blood sugar regulation and cholesterol management relieve the burden on our kidneys. Begin your day right with these dynamic berries. Sprinkle them on cereal, stir them into oatmeal, or whip them into a smoothie. Indulge in blueberry pancakes for a tangy, sweet, and kidney-friendly breakfast treat. Number 3 on our list is the mighty apple, a straightforward fruit that does more than keep the doctor away. It actively supports your kidneys. Rich in fiber, apples reduce the workload on your kidneys by aiding waste elimination. What distinguishes them is their secret weapon, pectin, a type of fiber that excels in lowering cholesterol. Maintaining optimal cholesterol levels is crucial for kidney health, keeping potential problems at bay. Apples, with their low potassium content, also possess anti-inflammatory properties, a vital ally against kidney issues. Moreover, they have a low glycemic index, making them a diabetic-friendly option. Incorporating apples into your breakfast is easy. Simply slice them into oatmeal, add them to yogurt, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie. Papaya. Papaya isn't just delicious, it's a health dynamo, especially for the kidneys. Loaded with papain, papaya combats inflammation effectively. Beyond papain, papaya is abundant in essential nutrients such as vitamins C and A, folate, and fiber. Vitamins A and C serve as antioxidants, shielding the kidneys from cellular damage. Folate contributes to kidney health by producing glutathione, a powerful antioxidant, and by helping to break down harmful homocysteine levels. Incorporating papaya into your daily regimen not only pleases your taste buds but also enhances your body's defense against heart disease and kidney issues, making it a tasty way to support overall health, including kidney wellness. Number 2, grapes. Available in varieties like red, green, or black, grapes are excellent for your kidneys and body cleansing. They're loaded with water, essential for kidney function and waste elimination. Grapes contain potent antioxidants, such as flavonoids and resveratrol, which reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys from damage. With their potassium content, grapes enhance urine production, aiding in detoxification. Additionally, they help regulate blood pressure, thanks to potassium and polyphenols, while their low oxalate levels decrease the risk of forming kidney stones. Research indicates that the antioxidants in grapes protect the kidneys and ensure urinary tract health. Whether fresh, dried, or in juice form, grapes are a delicious and kidney-friendly choice. Number 3. Cranberries. Cranberries play a crucial role in kidney health and body cleansing. Their unique properties make them a standout choice. Cranberries combat urinary tract infections, UTIs, by containing proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls. Additionally, they contain citric acid, which reduces the risk of kidney stones by preventing mineral clumping. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, cranberries fight oxidative stress and inflammation, easing the strain on your kidneys. They promote urine production, aiding in waste removal, and contain anti-inflammatory flavonoids and polyphenols. Potassium in cranberries helps regulate blood pressure, crucial for kidney health. Furthermore, cranberries maintain gut bacteria balance, supporting overall health. With their high vitamin C content, cranberries boost immunity, protecting the kidneys from infections. Adding cranberries to your meals not only enhances flavor, but also ensures kidney support in a tasty package. Number 4. Pineapples. With their juicy sweetness and vibrant yellow color, pineapples are excellent for kidney cleansing. They contain bromelain, an enzyme known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, which helps reduce kidney swelling and promotes health. Packed with vitamin C, pineapples protect your kidneys from oxidative stress while boosting your immune system. Their high water content aids in flushing toxins, keeping your kidneys well hydrated and functioning smoothly. Additionally, pineapples provide manganese, vital for kidney health, and fiber, which promotes digestive efficiency. Despite containing potassium, pineapples are safe for those monitoring their potassium intake due to kidney issues. Incorporating pineapples into your diet is a wise choice for supporting and cleansing your kidneys. Number 5. Cherries. Eating cherries is a fantastic way to support kidney health. Acting as natural cleansers, they swiftly remove toxins and waste. Loaded with antioxidants, such as anthocyanins and flavonoids, cherries protect your kidneys from free radical damage. These compounds not only improve kidney function but also help maintain overall health. The anti-inflammatory properties of cherries further aid in reducing stress on the kidneys, making them a beneficial addition to any kidney-friendly diet. Cherries. These antioxidants also play a key role in controlling anti-inflammatory effects, reducing swelling, and lightening your kidneys' workload, thus enhancing their efficiency. The potassium content in cherries is crucial for maintaining the right balance of fluids, electrolytes, and blood pressure, essential factors for optimal kidney function. Recent research, including a 2012 study in arthritis and rheumatism, highlights cherries' ability to lower uric acid levels in the body. This is significant, as high uric acid levels can contribute to kidney stones and worsen conditions like gout. Furthermore, evidence suggests that the anthocyanins in cherries may offer protection against chronic kidney disease, underscoring the immense benefits cherries bring to kidney health. Incorporating cherries into your diet isn't just tasty, it's a smart and delicious choice for nurturing your kidneys. 6. Strawberries. Strawberries aren't just delicious, they're packed with kidney benefits. Rich in antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin C, they shield your kidneys from oxidative stress. Additionally, strawberries promote urine production, which aids in flushing out toxins from the body, supporting kidney health and function. Their natural sweetness makes them a delightful addition to any diet, while their health benefits make them an excellent choice for those looking to support their kidney health. Incorporating strawberries into your meals can provide a tasty, nutritious boost to your overall health, particularly for your kidneys. Strawberries aid in kidney cleansing, and their high vitamin C content not only boosts collagen production, enhancing kidney structure and function, but also offers numerous health benefits. Their ellagic acid content provides potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, safeguarding the kidneys from inflammation and other issues. Adding strawberries to your diet is a smart move for kidney health, making them a valuable addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Pomegranates. Number 7. Pomegranates, a superfood, are not only delicious but are also packed with kidney-cleansing nutrients. Their ruby red seeds and sweet juice offer numerous benefits. High in antioxidants like punicalagon, they combat harmful free radicals, protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress. Polyphenols in pomegranates reduce inflammation, aiding kidney function, and promoting healthy blood flow, which is vital for efficient waste filtration. Adding pomegranates to your diet not only adds flavor but also robustly supports kidney health. Watermelon, number 8. Watermelon is more than just a summer favorite. It's fantastic for keeping you hydrated, which is crucial for kidney health. With its 92% water content, watermelon aids kidney function by flushing out toxins effectively. Its citrulline content boosts arginine production, relaxing blood vessels, and ensuring healthy kidney blood flow. The bright red color comes from lycopene, a potent antioxidant that shields the kidneys from free radical damage. Using watermelon is a smart way to stay hydrated and support kidney health. Blueberries, number 9. Blueberries, a celebrated superfood, are incredibly beneficial for your kidneys and natural body cleansing. Packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, they combat oxidative stress and inflammation, safeguarding your kidneys. Anthocyanins also help regulate blood pressure, which is crucial for kidney health. The flavonoids in blueberries fight inflammation, easing kidney strain. They also prevent urinary tract infections by deterring bacterial adhesion, and their low oxalate content reduces the risk of kidney stones. Additionally, blueberries may aid in managing blood sugar levels, making them especially beneficial for diabetics. Adding blueberries to your diet isn't just delicious, but also a smart move for kidney support. Apples, number 10. These crunchy delights are not just tasty, but also kidney-friendly. With about 85% water content, apples keep your kidneys hydrated and functioning optimally. Research supports the importance of apples in promoting kidney health. They're also rich in potassium, which aids kidney health without overloading on the mineral. Moreover, apples pack a punch of dietary fiber, reducing the risk of kidney stones and aiding waste elimination. Loaded with antioxidants and essential vitamins, apples safeguard your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. If you enjoyed this information, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.